So good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are very fine. Today from the chapter More on Fractions, I will discuss about fractions of money and measures. Fractions of money and measures. That means suppose you have given 10 rupees. Your mom has given you 10 rupees and you have told that only half of the money you spend only half of the money, not all the money. Then half, that is a fraction, and you have told you spend only half of the money. That means fraction of money. That means how much money? To convert this fraction into quantity, we have to know this process. Suppose you have 15 rupees. You have 15 rupees and you have called give 1/3 of your money to your brother. Suppose you have 15 rupees, you have 15 rupees, 50 rupees 15. Okay, and you have called 1/3 of your money, 1/3 of your money give to your brother. So here see how much money you have to give. 1/3. 1/3 means not rupees 1/3. It is not possible. 1/3 is a fraction. So 1/3 of what? 1/3 of total money. That means 1/3 of rupees 15. So 1/3 of rupees 15 is how much money? 1/3 of rupees 15 is how much money? To calculate this, we have to know this. Clear? I mean, what does this mean? Fractions of money. Fractions of money. Suppose you have or anyone have a total amount of money, and he or you have to calculate. You have to calculate the some part of that total money. Some part of the total money. Clear? Acha, next. Measures. Measures means length, weight means mass, volume of liquid. So length per meter, and for mass kilogram, gram, like that, and for volume kiloliter, liter. Acha, this is what? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. This is length unit, and this is mass unit: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. And this is volume unit: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Acha, listen. For measure, for length measure, you have to remember this. I mean, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Hectometer, decameter, decimeter is still needed, but hectometer, decameter is not needed. Normally it will not come. Next, mass: kilogram, gram, and milligram. You have to remember those three places only. And for volume, kiloliter, liter, milliliter. Clear? Acha, first conversion. Acha, for rupee conversion, rupees 1 or a rupee. A rupee means 1 rupees. A rupee means 1 rupee. Clear? So to convert 1 rupee into paisa, we know 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. I think you all know that. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Okay? Now come to the point, or in measures. So if you have to move from left place to right place, okay, then you have to multiply. You have already known about that. In class 5 you have already known, but just I am remembering you. To convert or to move from left place to right place, any left place to right place, you have to multiply with 10. You have to multiply with 10 for each place. For each place. Clear? For each place. And not only for length, it is also same for length, mass, volume. For all the process, it is same. For all the measures, it is same. And if we move from right to left, see the arrow sign, from left to right, and from right to left, if you want to move, then you have to divide 10 for each place. That means, suppose you have to move from meter to centimeter. meter to centimeter. Acha, meter is in the left place of centimeter. That means if you want to move meter to centimeter, you have to move from left to right. Acha, how can you calculate how much places I want to move? How much place I want to move? See, meter to centimeter. So when you have called to convert meter to centimeter, then don't think about meter. Don't think about meter. Okay. So now check how much places how I have to move. Decimeter, centimeter. 2. That means to convert meter to centimeter, we have to multiply with 100. Suppose you have called 5 meter is equals to 5 into 100 centimeter. Similarly for meter to millimeter. Meter to millimeter, how much digit? You don't have to think about meter. Next, 1, 2, 3. That means to meter to millimeter, you have to multiply with 1000. For meter to millimeter, multiply with 1000. Okay. Suppose you have given milliliter, and you have to go to liter. So milliliter to milliliter. See, now for this case, milliliter in the right position and liter in the left position. So right to left, 10 for each position. So here see 1, 2, 3. 310, that means divided by 1000. Acha, 10 for each position. So how can I get suppose meter to millimeter? Meter to millimeter, 1, 2, 3, 3 digit. Acha, why I have written 1000? See, meter to millimeter means 1, 2, 3. 3 total, 3 places I have to move. So for first place 10 into 10. For decimeter to centimeter again 10. For centimeter to millimeter again 10. So total 10 means 1000. So clear the process. For simple process, I say just say how much places you have to move. Here you have to move 1, 2, 3. 3 places. That's why you use 3 zeros after 1. Okay. For meter to centimeter, you have to move 1, 2 places. Then you multiply with 100. That means 2 zeros after 1. How much number of places is equal to number of zeros after 1. Number of places is equal to number of zeros after 1. Clear? And from left to right you have to multiply, and from right to left you have to divide. I think now it is clear. Okay. Now come to the sum. Acha, one thing for BODMAS rule, what is the function of O? O means off. And what does this mean off? Suppose you have given 2, 3 of 6. So off means what? Off means multiplication. Clear? So off means multiplication. So after when you omit the off, then you have to write multiply sign. Clear? Okay. Now come to the sum. Here there are many numbers of fractions. You have to do off. For off case, you have to multiply. Omit off, then multiply, then process 2 into 6 upon 3 and 3 to 6, 2 2 is 4. 4 is the answer. Okay. Acha, next conversion. For conversion, I will show you 2 or 3 types of conversion. Suppose you have given 1/5 of a rupee. Is equal to dash paisa. See this sum carefully. First check what you have to convert. Here I have to go rupee to paisa. So when you have called convert rupee to paisa, then in the place of rupee you use 100 paisa, because we know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, or a rupee is equal to 100 paisa. That means 1/5 a rupee will be of means into of a rupee means a rupee will be replaced by 100 paisa. Why I have written paisa? Because here you have asked, you have to find the answer in paisa. That's why I have written a rupee in 100 paisa. Suppose here you have given a rupee is equal to 100 paisa. If you have given 2 rupee, then you write 2 into 100 paisa. You have given 3 rupees, so 3 into 100 paisa. 4 rupee, 4 into 100 paisa. So when you have to convert from rupee to paisa, then you have to multiply with 100 because 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Here you have asked rupee to paisa, that's why I have multiplied, or I have replaced rupee. Y rupee is equals to 100 paisa, that's why. So now process is equals to 1 into 100 upon 5, so got 20 is equals to 20 paisa. 20 paisa is the answer. Clear? Why I have replaced rupee to paisa? Because you have asked to find the answer in paisa. 1/5 of 100 paisa is equals to 20 paisa. Clear? Another type of sum here I am showing you. Suppose you have given 1/3 of 15 rupees 15 is equals to rupees dash. That, like, suppose you have 15 rupees and your father has called, give 1/3 of your rupee to your brother, then how much money you have to give? So for this kind of sum you have to follow this process. See, this is the process. See, 1/5 of a rupee is equals to 20 paisa. Suppose you have called, you have only 1 rupee and you have to give it 1/5 of to your brother, then how much money you have to give? 20 paisa. So you have to give 20 paisa to your brother. Okay, now for this case, of means multiplication, so 1/3 into rupees 50. Acha, now see here you have to convert rupees to rupees to rupee. Here you have to convert rupee to paisa, that's why I have replaced a rupee is equals to 100 paisa. But here 15 rupees is equals to 15 into 100 paisa, we all know that 15 rupees is equals to 15 into 100 paisa. But here don't write 15 into 100 because here you have asked to convert rupees to rupee to rupee. That's why you don't have to multiply with 100, because when we have to multiply with 100, when you have asked to convert rupee to paisa, but here you have asked to convert rupee to rupee. 1/3 of rupees 15 is equals to rupee dash rupee. How much money in rupee, not in paisa. So now simple, rupees 131 into 15, so 35, so is equals to rupees 5. That means you have to give 5 rupees to your brother. You have to give 5 rupees to your brother. Clear the process? Okay, another problem, suppose half of 10 liter. Half of 10 liter is equals to dash liter. See here you have to find liter to liter. So for liter to liter you don't have to convert or you don't have to multiply. Okay, that's what I want to say actually. I want to say actually that when you have asked, or when you have to find, or when you have to convert the same unit, liter to liter, rupee to rupee, kilogram to kilogram, gram to gram, that means from same, when you convert from one place to another place, that means from same place, liter to liter, that means no change. Okay, for same amount, for same quantity or same volume, same measure. Here measure same, liter in liter, measure in liter, here measure in liter. When the measuring is same, then you don't have to multiply or divide with any number. Don't have to multiply when you have to convert to same measurement. So liter to liter, no change. You don't have to multiply or something. That's just convert off into multiplication sign is equals to 1 into 10 upon 2 liter. 2 5s are 10, so 5 into 1 5 liter. This is the answer. Clear? But suppose here you have asked 125 1 upon 25 of 1 liter. Sorry, 1 liter no 1 meter is equals to dash millimeter. Here you see you have to convert meter to millimeter. See, measurement is has changed. Measurement has changed, meter to millimeter. Now we have to see the first convert meter, so 1/5 of meter to millimeter convert. Acha, now you have to check this meter to millimeter. So 1 2 3 digits, that's why I have to multiply with 3, not 3 actually, that means 3 zeros after 1, 3 zeros after 1, that means 1 into that means that millimeter. Clear or not, tell me. 1 millimeter is equals to 1000 millimeter, sorry, 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equals to 1 into how much places I have to move? Meter next, forget about meter, then decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So 3 places I have to move. So for 3 places 3 zeros, so 3 zeros. And why multiply? I am going from left to right, so millimeter is equal to 1 into 1000 means 1000. If I multiply any number with 1, then I will get that number. That's why I have written directly. Clear the process. Next, omit off. So when you have to replace off with multiply sign, 1000 millimeter, and then 1 into 1000 upon 25 millimeter is equals to 40 millimeter. So 125 of 1 meter is equals to 40 millimeter. Now clear the conversion. So just check, you have to find or you have to convert from which place to which place. For same place you don't have to multiply or divide with any number, but when you have asked or when place is changed, then you have to multiply or divide. Okay, and for with which number I have to multiply or divide? First you have to check how much digits I have to, how much places I have to move from left to right or from right to left. For left to right you have to multiply with 10 for each place, and with 10 for each place. And for 10 for each place means, for simple method I have said, first you check how much places I have to move, then you have to multiply with that number of zeros after 1. Meter to centimeter, 2 places, so 2 zeros after 1. 2 zeros after 1 means 100, that means you have to multiply with 100. Kilogram to gram, how much places? So when you have to move from kilogram to gram, then forget about kilogram. When you have to move liter to milliliter, then forget about liter. That means first place you have to forget. Okay, then so forget about liter, then deci, centi, milli. So 3 digits, so 3 zeros after 1 means 1000, so you have to multiply with 1000. So clear the process. And rupee means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, but you check, you have to convert rupee to paisa or rupee to rupee. If you have called to convert rupee to rupee, then you don't have to multiply with 100, but you have asked to convert rupee to paisa, then you have to multiply with 100. Clear the process. Okay, now just actually I want to say that, see the measurement. Liter to liter means no change, no unit change. So no unit change means no multiplication with any number of zeros after 1. So just replace off with multiplication, because for BODMS I know off function means multiplication. Okay, so 10 liter 10, I don't have to multiply with any digit, any number. Okay, but here you have asked meter to millimeter. Okay, so for meter to millimeter I have to convert meter to millimeter first. So we have 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Clear? Acha, next you have to omit off with multiplication sign. Bas, complete. Clear? Okay students, so thank you everyone.